Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Xiaomi Pocophone F1 64GB plus 6GB RAM. Dual camera, 6.18 LTE factory unlocked smartphone. Global version, steel blue. Xiaomi 850/900/1900/2100 4G LTE band 1, 2100, 3, 1800, 5, 850, 7, 2600, 8, 900, 20, 800, 38, 2600, 40, 2300, 41, 2500, hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Ensure to check compatibility with your carrier before purchase. 6.18 inches 2246x1080 FHD+, 403 ppi Corning Gorilla Glass, IR face unlock, rear fingerprint sensor. 64GB ROM plus 6GB RAM, microSD, uses SIM 2 slot, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, liquid cool technology, industry-leading thermal performance, non-removable battery. Main camera, dual 12MP f/1.9 plus 5MP f/2.0, front camera, 120 mph/2.0, video, 4K video, 30 fps and slow motion video, 1080p, 240 fps. Factory unlocked cell phones are compatible with most of the GSM carriers such as AT&T and T-Mobile, but are not compatible with CDMA carriers such as Verizon and Sprint. Ensure to check compatibility with your carrier before purchase. FCC ID 2AFZZXMSE10O